Mission: Impossible Ghost Protocol. Released 2011, directed by Brad Birdmore. Mission: Impossible Ghost Protocol 60 of 92. The most rewatchable action movies. 11 of 14 movie franchises that almost died, then came roaring back to life. 11 of 42 the all-time best Tom Cruise movies. The Naked Gun, from the Files of Police Squad. Released 1988, directed by David Zuckermore. The Naked Gun, from the Files of Police Squad. 21 of 314 the funniest 80s movies. 134 of 372 old movies every young person needs to watch in their lifetime. 57 of 280 the best whodunit movies. 21 Jump Street. Released 2012, directed by Phil Lord, Chris Miller. More. 21 Jump Street. 30 of 204 the best drug movies of all time. 12 of 14 movies that sounded like terrible ideas but somehow turned out great. 71 of 111 the best stoner movies. Charlie's Angels. Released 2000, directed by Joseph Magenti Nickel. More. Charlie's Angels. 138 of 836 the greatest chick flicks ever made. 101 of 541 the greatest guilty pleasure movies. 16 of 21 movies based on live action TV shows ranked by their accuracy. The Mask of Zorro. Released 1998, directed by Martin Campbell. More. The Mask of Zorro. 187 of 291 the greatest soundtracks of all time. 29 of 47 the best historical movies from the 90s. 44 of 58 the best 90s Western movies. The X-Files. The X-Files. Star Trek: First Contact. Wayne's World. Wayne's World. The Muppet Christmas Carol. The Muppet Christmas Carol. Star Trek: Into the Darkness. Star Trek: Into the Darkness. The Transformers: The Movie. The Transformers: The Movie. The Blues Brothers. The Blues Brothers. The Simpsons Movie. The Simpsons Movie. The Muppet Movie. The Muppet Movie. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Mission: Impossible. Mission: Impossible. Addams Family Values. Addams Family Values. The Untouchables. The Untouchables. Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Serenity. Serenity. Star Trek Roman II, The Wrath of Khan. Star Trek Roman II, The Wrath of Khan. Superman. The Addams Family, 1991. The Addams Family, 1991. The Fugitive. The Fugitive. Star Trek. Released 2009, directed by J. Abrams. More Star Trek. The 19 coolest starships in the Star Trek universe. 48 of 206 the best adventure movies. 22 of 164 live-action movies with the best CGI effects.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.